Hello everyone, welcome to Apollo I/O. This tool can only be accessed by logging in. What is this tool about? At first glance, it may seem like a CRM. It complements CRM info but doesn't replace it. Apollo I/O isn't a CRM, but a tool to transform leads into potential customers, okay? It has automations and a more optimized workflow than a CRM's global data view. Got it? When you have thousands of leads to process, that's where Apollo I/O comes in, alright? They say we can use Apollo as a CRM, but it's best used as a complement. There are phases: lead, qualified lead, meeting, negotiation, and contract sent. We can modify these phases as needed. So that's Apollo I/O in a nutshell. Within Apollo I/O, we can also view analytics and more. Let's say it's your first time on Apollo.io and you want to use it to find potential clients. Here we go to the prospects section where we can offer our services to people. All the email addresses will be public. First, as you can see on the left, we have a list of filters. There are up to 220 million email address. We could create a buyer persona. That's the type of person who would want to buy from us. First thing I do is go to email status and ensure the email is verified. It's a good way to start as it ensures the user actually exists. Then you can sort by job type or by the company they're working for. Again, all these profiles are public. We could sort by location. For example, we only want people from the United States. We can see our contacts have been reduced to 33 million. Now we want them to focus on just one industry. We're applying multiple filters here. Once we have that, we'd add the people we want and we save it. As you can see, we can add them to a list or sequence to differentiate and work with them. From here, we can create email sequences to reach out to these prospects and try to make a sale. Alright, how can we create our first email sequence in Apollo.io? Let's go to sequences and simply click create sequence, okay? We can use AI to create it, though I'm not sure how good it'll be. Anyway, let's click on create sequences. What I recommend is using a template. Don't complicate things by starting from scratch or risking AI. So let's pick a template. As you can see, they're all different. This one, for example, has 4 steps over 10 days, okay? That one has 3 steps in 5 days. Let's choose this one. Now, this sequence interface has a lot going on, as you can see. We'll just say we don't want to see this again. Here we have the days, right? Well, the sequence steps: first step, second step, and third step. As you can see, we can add more steps. And the day they're executed, okay? First day, automatic email, got it. Here we'd put the company name, we'd insert our company name, okay? We replace this and we're done. And here, well, welcome. Try to schedule a call with them, alright? On day 3, after trying to schedule, there's a second and third message, okay? 2 days after that. And finally, one last message, got it? Where we try to close the sale again, right? Then we have the contacts section where we'll send these emails. Here's where we'd add the contact. Activity shows results, or rather the report of our outcomes. Obviously, launch and activate it, okay? I'm not going to do it, but you'd need to activate each step, alright? Activate them, enable each step, and so on. If you want to add a new step, just do it, okay? Here they say manual emails and phone calls can get 20% more calls, got it? Importantly, as you see, we can send an automatic or manual email, okay? A phone call, an action, right? For example, a manual email, okay? You say 3 days after the previous step, alright? Then you add a note, okay? And you write, hello, got it? Well, everyone can customize their message based on their company. And that's how we create an email sequence, understand? What's the beauty of this? You can also do A/B testing, okay? It seems to be only in the pro version. But what's A/B testing for? Well, on day 1, we send one email to 5% of contacts, another to 5%. The best performing one goes to the remaining 90%. That's what A/B testing is for, right? To try to improve those numbers. So that's how we can create a sequence.